Just got my first ever Walmart Spark double shopping delivered. $35.29 for 8.9 miles. I cannot believe it. Customer number one only got one item. Customer number two got 24 items, and they actually have alcohol on this order right here. So this is crazy. The first shop and deliver batch order that I saw had two customers that didn't tip, and it was 4 miles, 13 bucks. I was like, no sir. But this one right here got a $14 tip on it. Total distance is 9 miles, so I'm estimating that both customers tipped. This is a game changer right here. I did my first ever Sam's Club shopping order yesterday. $24, 10 miles, 22 bucks, 11 miles, 6 items. It was great. So it's letting me know right here, customer one and customer number two will be labeled as A and B. And this one should be pretty easy because they got it already separated, and the first customer only got one item. But the second screen says, it's helpful to keep the orders separated. So it's showing you like use one of the delivery baskets inside of the shopping cart to kind of separate the different customers. I probably will do that on this one, and I'll make sure I do it moving forward. But basically it's showing you your A customer and your B customer in the items that you're gonna be shopping for with each customer. Now, this is great because you're able to increase your earnings by shopping for more than one customer at one time. I've been waiting for an update like this on Walmart Spark because it's been pretty crazy out here lately. But let's get up in here, shop these items, and I'll see y'all when I get back, and we'll talk about it. Shopped. Now, something I will say I noticed is, normally when you do two shopping orders that's individual, you get an $11 base pay. I've already seen screenshots from other folks who have had the double shopping order in their market. You're not getting $11 in base pay for from each customer, but you do have the potential to get tip from both customers, and it still makes sense for you. Take, for instance, this order right here. Got both customers shop, and really, it felt no different from shopping a traditional one customer order because my customer number two only had one item. So I feel like I'm delivering to a good tipping customer along with a non-tipping customer, which ain't the worst thing in the world, because if there's any platform where I don't mind delivering to more non-tippers, it's gonna be Walmart because they give you the highest base pay. And I already saw that it was a $14 tip. I'm pretty confident that customer number two tipped that whole $14 because customer number one, they only ordered a pregnancy test. And history has told me that normally people who just order a pregnancy test ain't finna tip you that much because they got more stuff to worry about. But all in all, I think it's a great addition. It's gonna give you more opportunity to earn that money, hit your goals, and that's what it's all about. So we heading to customer number one right now, which I think is the pregnancy test customer. We finna go drop their order off and get this money. This order gonna put me at 50 bucks in the first hour. And it's gonna give me a chance to get access to more ratings by getting more customers done per hour. So be warned, you could also potentially get some negative ratings if you delivering to two no-tip customers and you getting more customers done per hour. Yes, it's more opportunity, but on the flip side, there's an opportunity for you to get a decrease in your ratings as well. So you definitely want to keep that in mind. Now with the total mileage, there is going to be some round trip miles on this, but that's why you multi-app. I'll have a Grubhub running in the background because that's the only app that don't really penalize you for declining trash offers. So I figured I'd rock out that way. But all in all, I think it's going to be more positives than negatives when talking about this new addition to the Walmart Spark platform. And just keep in mind, like say you get in a Walmart where, say you're in a zone where it's just one Walmart, not really a whole bunch around. This addition gives you access to more customers per hour because say you mainly focus on shopping orders, you may only be able to get 1 or 2 customers done per hour if they sending them to you individually, and let alone if it gets slow. But now you kind of got the potential to service 4 customers in one hour. So we made it to the first drop off. I believe this is the pregnancy test customer. Yes sir, sure is. And I think I delivered to them before too. They is a non-tipper, but you know what? Walmart got they back. They got the double delivery on deck. So let's get this dropped off. Customer number 2 is an easy 7 minutes away. Let's go. That's perfect. Let's see. It's only 3 miles away. So that's basically all the distance right there. Let's get it. This is great. So in 7 more minutes, I'll be dropping off this other customer order. It do got alcohol on it. So we will need to do some verification on that identification. But it's all good. Let's get this money. We just made an extra 35 bucks. And it only took us 25 minutes. What? It say I picked up this order at 12:30. Now, I know I had to go in there and shop. It ain't no way. I picked up this order at 12:15. I spent 15 minutes shopping for these 2 customers, and then I just delivered it. And total time is 40 minutes on this order because it's $12.55. But let me know in the comments below. For 2 customers, 35 bucks, 40 minutes total on the order. Is that good for you? Would you do that? Because for me, I'd do that 10 times in a row every single day, make my $3.50 and be a happy camper. Well, this is my second ever double shopping order right here. We got $34.29 for 5.7. I'll be taking that. All right, so let's go ahead and dissect it a little bit before I started. Customer number 1 got 17 items. Customer number 2 got 10 items. $18.83 in base pay, so that's like $9.40 per customer in base pay, which is okay because I knew I wasn't gonna get the full 11, which is what you usually get for 1 customer, but $9 base pay on each order and a total tip of $15.46. So let's just split that up. $7 tip between both customers. Total mileage 5.7 miles. Yes, sir. Let's go. Shout out to the sunshade, keeping me nice and cool in this car because it is 94 degrees. I'm about to run up in here, knock this out. I'll see y'all when I get done. All right, so we got both orders shopped, customer A and customer B. And what I'm finding is it takes the same amount of time to shop for 2 customers as it do to shop for 1 customer. So again, this is my second double batched shopping and delivery order. And I must say, look, it's a great addition because just today, me doing these, trying these out, I've increased my daily earnings. Just today. I mean, the 2 orders y'all seen me do, this one and the one earlier, you know, that's extra 70 bucks added to the tally. That's 4 customers that I get to service now that I might not have potentially got a chance to see before. So let's head on there. And this one got even less mileage than the first one, so I love it. Let's go. All right, guys, so we just made it to drop off number 2 right here. Now look, make sure that you dropping off the correct order to the correct customer, because unlike when you're doing curbside pickup, there is no scanning. There is no way to label the orders unless you manually doing it yourself. So make sure that you're getting the right order. Easy money right there. So 4 customers, 2 double shopping orders. So my little first day shopping order review, I'm gonna say I like it. You know, it's giving me the chance to, you know, get more orders done per hour. You know, the customers' orders who I accept, they good customers. So I'm hoping to get a good rating. And I think anytime you have a chance to increase them earnings, you should be doing just that. Look, don't forget, you also can do shopping orders at Sam's Club now too. So there's more opportunities than ever for as far as shopping go on the Walmart platform.